ITEL P55, unboxing, and first setup. $3,299 pesos only. 50 megapixel rear camera, 18 watts fast charging, up to 24 gigabytes RAM, and 128 gigabyte storage. 5000 mAh battery, 90 Hz refresh rate. iPhone-like back design. Lightweight and thin. Inside the box, we have SIM ejector pin, owner's manual, free jelly case, perfect fit, earphone, 18 watts charging brick, and USB Type-C cable. If you want to buy, I will post the SHOPEE and LAZADA link below. Nice camera quality. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.